Hey everybody, we are on our 22-day Panama Canal cruise.
And in Cartagena, we just took a quick trip into the port.
Hey everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Deb.
And welcome back to the channel. So we thought we would we're on our 22-day Panama Canal cruise. We thought we'd take a little bit of time today to talk about one of our adventures.
So the very first stop we did was in Cartagena, Colombia. Now, we've never been to Cartagena. We have been to other places in Colombia, up in the mountains.
Yeah,
which was beautiful. So this first stop was actually on a very busy work day for us. So we did not do any excursions. All we did was get off the ship. So we are going to share with you the port itself. And if you don't have time or you don't want to do an excursion, here's why you should still get off the ship.
It's hard. We're digital nomads, so we're still working. We were there on a work day, so we had a whole bunch of things to do. It was a really busy day, but we still wanted to get off and see. And really all we did was get off and see the port.
Yes.
So it's this, it's a typical cruise port with some cool things to it.
So when you first get off the port, you'll notice there are shops. There's duty-free shops.
All the things that come with a cruise port.
You can buy trinkets or chocolates or coffee.
Yep.
And there's I believe there was also a coffee shop there too.
Yeah.
But the real attraction when you get off the cruise at Cartagena was the animals.
Yeah.
So
interesting.
First thing you will notice as you're walking is the peacocks roaming freely. But there was so much more. So it was almost kind of like a mini zoo.
It's an aviary is what it is. It's aviary plus because there's tons of birds there, but there's also some other animals.
So we'll just mention some of what you can see. The macaws were absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous. Yeah.
They were both red and blue, and they were just gorgeous.
Just squawking away, yakking at each other.
There were turtles on display. There were anteaters that were larger than
Deb was like, those are way bigger than I thought they were. I'm like, well, they're the giant anteaters. That's why.
I had no idea that anteaters got that big.
They were big. And he was, I don't know if we got video of it, but he was playing with a tree, having fun. I mean, he was having a good time.
Yeah, that was crazy. Parrots. So the parrots were very cute. Yeah. Very green and colorful.
Yeah, the macaws were outside. They weren't in a building or anything. But then there's an aviary that you have to go through gates to get to that had cockatoos and all kinds of absolutely beautiful.
There were a lot of variety of birds in there. I remember. There was a pond with flamingos, the pink flamingos.
Yep.
And so there was just so much to see. So we really truly feel like even if you don't, book anything or you want to save your money, just get off the ship because you will be happy if you love animals.
Just to see something different. I mean, we could have stayed on the ship the whole day. We could have worked all day. We could have gone to the buffet. We could have gone rode some go-karts on the ship. But it's nice to actually get off, walk around, see the port, and absolutely get to enjoy the animals that they have there. So,
for sure. Yeah.
Cartagena, it's not an exciting part of the trip that we did. We promise in our future episodes we'll be getting off the ship a little bit more.
Doing more.
Yeah, they line up a little better on when we arrive on weekends and things like that.
Absolutely.
But if you've got questions about Cartagena, anything that we did, just drop them in a comment. We'd be happy to answer them. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe.
And thank you for joining us.
And we'll see you in the next video.